story called The Girl Who Got Lost, and today I'm going to share it with you guys. Once there was a girl called Sophie. She lived in a cottage with her mother and father. She always wanted to see new creatures in the wilderness, but her parents would say no, no, and no. Sophie got so tired living alone because she didn't have a brother or a sister. So at night her parents were sleeping. Sophie tiptoed to the door and closed the door behind her quietly and told herself bravely, I am going to be the first girl to see new creatures. So off she went. Chapter 2. Sophie walked as far as she could, but no sign of new creatures. And she told herself again, maybe I'm not going to be the first girl to see new creatures. So she went back, but suddenly Sophie forgot where she was going and she got lost and didn't know what to do. The end. Girl, you got lost too. Sophie was so scared she didn't even know what to do. Then, suddenly, she heard something. It sounded like a wolf. Then, the wind shivered back and front, but it was too late. The wolf was running so fast and Sophie was giving all her strength to run now. She was ahead of the wolf and she was going to make a trap. Sophie found an axe on the ground. Sophie picked it up and she digged as deep as she could. And she climbed up on a big tree. The wolf was coming. He didn't know where she was, but his great sense of smell caught her, and he ran and ran. Then, pop! The wolf fell in the trap. Sophie came down as fast as she could. I'm sorry, everyone, but this part might be scary. But if you want to hear it, here it goes. Sophie chopped the wolf into 7 pieces and he died. Now, Sophie hoped that she could go home, and guess what? She did. Her parents were still sleeping, so she went to bed and she was so happy because she never saw a wolf for real life.
가지 비리아니를 시작하랬다.
Chicken wings 되라.
그쵸?
여기 chicken wings, 여기 jelly, biryani 때 chicken di mana kawan. Ini orang kasi hot chocolate na ngayon.
됐어. 됐어.